I love my 15-year-old Volvo XC90, but the headlights on the thing have just completely deteriorated. I have tried so many things, waxes, toothpaste, special formula from Europe specifically for cleaning clouded headlights with no help. I had a guy at work, Officer Rose, he saw my headlights and he said, there's only one thing going to clear that up. Bug spray. He says it works. Maybe it's the DEET. Who knows? We'll try something a little harsher than this. Hey, at this point I really can't hurt it any worse than it is. You know, it appears to be working in the places that aren't horribly mutilated, like the upper part here. But it doesn't really seem to be working there, but I'll keep giving it a go. I looked to buy new headlights, 600 bucks a piece. Cha-ching! I don't know that this car's worth 1,200 bucks now. And yes, sunscreen all over me. Never be too careful when you're a geezer. I don't think it's any better. It's different. I don't know that it's better. Looks like crap. Looks better than it did. I'll let you be the judge. Birthday card. Open the card up, Linda.
Okay.
Close it a little bit, about halfway. Yeah. All right, open it again.
But now notice the front. Sure hope you like your birthday present.
I picked it myself.